what do you want to tell Grandpa?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's.
Push the button.
Yeah.
Push the button.
And do you want to say hi to Uncle Merlin?
Yes.
What do you say to Uncle Merlin?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Uncle Merlin. And what are you doing today? Are you going to go for brunch? With Mom and Dad?
And cookie.
And you're going to have a cookie? What kind of cookie do you want?
The chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah.
I think that's Grandpa's favorite too.
And then I love the chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
It's Daddy's.
What?
It's Daddy's.
But what happens if I eat the chocolate cookie?
Eat this.
Mm-hmm. Were you watching The Grinch this morning?
Yes.
Even though it's not Christmas?
It's a Christmas.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, say I love you.
I love you.
Okay.
I love you.
Yeah. Say we'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, wave.
Bye.